Hey friends! Are you ready to see 2 genius hacks with a pencil that will completely blow your mind? One will save you money, and the other works wonders in repairs. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll share a magical secret that could change your life if you take it seriously. So, make sure to stay until the end. Why do most LED bulbs light up? It's because the circuit is broken. A single burned out LED can shut down the entire bulb. But don't worry, I've got a solution. Just remove the faulty LED and replace it with pencil graphite. Add a little baking soda. Secure it with some super glue. And you're good to go. Let's test it. Works like it's brand new. No need to throw away burnout bulbs anymore. Hack 2, with just a pencil and some electrical wire. You can create a simple handheld welding device that's incredibly handy. those old batteries, don't throw them away. This idea is not only good for the environment, but it also saves you money. If you found these hacks helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me bring you even more amazing ideas.